Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I hope you are having a fantastic day. In today's video, I want to share my experience using the DRMTLGY Neck Contouring Serum over the course of the last 9 weeks here. I am someone who personally likes testing out my skincare for a longer period of time before sharing my thoughts here on my channel. So typically I try to give a product anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks to really show me whether it is going to do something for my skin, or maybe if that product is just a bad formulation, or if it's just not a good formulation for my skin type. I think you really have to give skincare a good solid college try, if you will, in order to see if a product will do anything for your skin or not. Not every product is going to be a fit for every single person, so I think it's one of those things where you just kind of have to try and see what works for you. I think it's always nice to have a good base knowledge of, you know, ingredients, what tends to work best for you, things that you might want to stay away from. But I think in the end, you just kind of have to test things out, see if they work, and then if they do, great. If not, that's okay. Usually things are always worth trying to see if they work out or not. But yeah, anyway, so today we're going to be talking about this neck contouring serum, which I am actually really excited to share with you guys. I've had a lot of really great luck with this. So before we get into the actual review, I will put a timestamp here that you can fast forward to, but I'm just going to give a little bit of a personal blurb here, because I have actually really gotten away from doing these in-depth skincare reviews over the course of the last couple of years. Honestly, I just became really intimidated by the amount of dermatologists and estheticians that have been, you know, coming onto the YouTube platform and sharing their absolutely incredible knowledge. Listen, I have several dermatologists that I follow on a daily basis. Like, I'm constantly checking for their videos. I also have a few estheticians that I follow as well. I think the fact that we are getting these medical professionals and these estheticians and stuff onto this platform, providing us with a wealth of knowledge, is absolutely incredible. I am so glad that this is happening, because I think it really does spread a lot of knowledge, and a lot more of us are becoming a lot more educated about different ingredients, what those ingredients do, who should be using specific ingredients. I think all of that stuff is fantastic. But just as a regular skincare consumer who used to just share my opinion about things that, you know, I was using that worked for me, that didn't work for me, it kind of became intimidating to share those reviews, because I just kind of felt like, I don't know, just as like an everyday skincare consumer, like, does my opinion matter? But I've decided to go ahead and try to get over that, because I know that I still watch a lot of, you know, just skincare fanatics out there who enjoy skincare the way that I do. And they're also not, you know, experts in this field either, but I really value the feedback that they provide about certain products. It helps me in my purchasing decisions. So I've decided to try to get over my little hang up of not being an expert in this field, and still continue to share just my experience using these products. I am by no means an expert. I am never going to tell you that you have to run out and try something. In fact, I'm going to say that you very carefully watch a lot of reviews out there, that you look at the full ingredient decks, and that you really make an informed decision about whether you want to spend your hard-earned money on a skincare product or not. But I will encourage you that if you are, you know, out there testing skincare, always make sure that you give skincare time to actually work. It's not, you know, it's not a fast game. Skincare is one of those journey type situations, not a destination. So give the skincare at least 6 to 8 weeks to show you what it can do. And then if you don't notice anything after that initial time period, I think at that point it's fair to, you know, kind of assume that something isn't gonna work for you. But, you know, don't buy something on a Tuesday and then expect to see full results by a Friday afternoon, if that makes sense. You're gonna have to use these products for a good chunk of time. But anyway, so I'm gonna get back into sharing these individual skincare reviews, and I hope that you guys find them helpful. Before we get into it, you should probably know a little bit about my skin type. I am I guess you could say, recovering oily skinned person. I feel like as I have gotten on hormone replacement therapy, my skin has kind of leveled out a little bit for me. So I am not nearly as oily. I would actually put my skin into a more combo type category now. I do deal with enlarged pores, so sebaceous filaments and blackheads can be an issue or a concern for me. I don't typically break out, and I'm 46 years old, so obviously just kind of addressing the signs of aging as they are coming at me hard and fast is something that I am trying to do in my skincare journey. So without further ado, let's get into this product. Full disclosure, this was sent to me by Dermatology. I am a Dermatology partner. So typically when they release a new product, they will send it out to their affiliates to be able to test out, and then we share our thoughts with you. So I did not pay for this product, but at the end of the video, I will tell you whether I plan on repurchasing this myself or not in the future. Spoiler, I will be. I really like this product. This gives some really good instant results, but I do think that the long-term results have yet to really kind of show themselves, but I'm noticing some progress. So before we get into talking about my experience, I do want to read you just a little bit about this formulation and give you some of the key ingredients. I'm sharing this review over the course of this week here because Dermatology is actually having a really great sale right now. So if you want to save a decent chunk of change on this, I'll have it linked down below in the description box. You don't even need a code to get the sale price. This is just a Valentine's special that they're having. So, and this is site-wide across the Dermatology website. So they say that this neck contouring serum is designed to instantly tighten sagging skin while sculpting the jawline for a more defined profile. This advanced formula improves the visibility of horizontal necklines. Most of us are getting this, I call it my little phone line here from just looking down at the phone all day. So improves the visibility of horizontal necklines, leaving your skin looking firmer and more lifted. Infused with powerful cutting edge ingredients, it nourishes and hydrates while promoting elasticity for a beautifully contoured neckline. So this product is supposed to give you instant lifting effect and long-term results. It has a stainless steel cooling roller applicator. It is supposed to enhance the skin's hydration and elasticity. It is also supposed to help smooth out texture and the look of crepey skin. Our key ingredients here are palalan. Hopefully I said that correctly. We have elkhorn sea moss extract in here, taro fruit extract, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, polypeptide 1, as well as panthenol. So those are just a few of the key ingredients in this formulation. The way that this product works is there is this cooling roller here. So you basically just squeeze on the sides and that causes a little bit of that serum to come out. I have actually yet to apply this on my neck today, so I have nothing on my neck right now. So I'm going to apply this on camera with you. You can see my neckline there. Pardon my little breakouts that are clearing up. I've been touching my neck a lot lately and I need to stop doing that. That is the only thing that will cause me to break out, is if I touch my face or if I touch my neck. But all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this and I'm just going to gently roll that onto the skin, focusing it pretty much on that line. Now, normally I actually apply this to my jawline as well, but I obviously have makeup on my face, so I already put it on my jawline this morning. Here's the thing that I've really noticed about this product is it does give you that instant kind of tightening effect. It's not dramatic enough to where if you have a ton of really loose sagging skin that I think this is going to be something that will be crazy noticeable for you. But if you're just starting to experience that initial laxity in your skin, maybe you're in your late 30s or you're in your 40s, this is something that should tighten that up again and make it look a lot more just tightened and a little bit more refined. So after you give that a chance to really kind of soak into the skin, it's gonna take a couple of minutes to dry. I like to just take this little cardboard paper that I have and just allow that to dry. One thing I want to say is do not apply this over other skincare products. I have found that when I do that, this product wants to pill up. Use this on its own. So in the morning, I will apply a hydrating toner to my neck, but I will not use any other serums or creams or lotions on my neck on the days where I'm using this product, which is pretty much most mornings. It says you can use it 2 times a day, but I typically will only use it in the morning. So yeah, just make sure that you are not applying any other skincare, because I have found that that does cause the product to pill up. So as this starts to dry down, you can see it's still a little tacky right now, but it actually reduces the look of that line instantly. Like it does not make it go away entirely, but it lessens the look of it pretty significantly. I am using other retinols as well as sometimes even tretinoin. I'm finding that my neck is becoming a little bit less sensitive these days. So I've actually been able to apply my tretinoin down onto my neck and my chest over the course of the last couple of weeks. And I do think that doing that over time combined with this will really lessen the look of this line. Am I going to get rid of it entirely? Probably not at this point, because I do still keep looking down at my phone every single day. So unless I can break my habit of doing that, I'm probably just gonna be fighting this line here. But I really like how it gives me this kind of instant gratification of reducing the look of that line, making my neck maybe look a little bit more youthful. And yeah, I think long term, obviously we have yet to see if this is going to give drastic results, but I do know that this does hydrate my neck really nicely. It instantly reduces the look of that line. And I really have not had any like bad interactions at all. So my skin seems very accepting of this formulation, even though my neck in the past has been somewhat sensitive. So yeah, I think moral of the story here is that so far so good. The instant effect is kind of a bonus for me, but in terms of has this completely taken away this line on my neck? No, it has not, but I'm gonna continue to work at it, and I'm going to try to also continue to break the habit of just looking down at my phone all day. I'm really trying hard to bring my phone up to my face. This is just something that I think we're all gonna deal with the way technology is these days and the way that we all utilize it during probably most of the day. So it just is what it is. But I like having something that gives me a little bit of relief from at least the look of that line. The roller ball is really cooling and soothing, so that feels really nice. And I will be repurchasing this myself in the future. So far, so good. I like it enough to spend my own money on this when I'm done with my first bottle. I feel like this 1.7 ounce size lasted me quite a while. I mean, we are a couple of months in, and I bet that I'm probably somewhere around the halfway point with this particular bottle. So it is a slightly higher price point, obviously, but the fact that it's going to last me several months, I think is, you know, a good thing. And yeah, I'm gonna continue to use it. I will let you guys know how it goes in my weekly beauty chit chat as I continue to update, you know, there with all of the things that I'm using. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions at all. I hope that this review was helpful for you in maybe helping you make a decision whether you want to try this product or not. Again, it is on sale this week, the week of Valentine's, if you're watching this video after. I do regularly have a 20% off code that I will put down there, but if you are purchasing this week, you're gonna save more than 20%. So I would say if you want it purchase it during the sale. Again, thanks for being here. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.